The Fraxel laser is part of a new type of technology. It's been around 5 or 6 years, continues to be refined for the rejuvenation of the face, neck, arms, hands. It's a breakthrough in laser technology in that the laser is delivered with fractional amounts of energy, hundreds and thousands of small pulses of energy to the skin, which allows some skin to be spared, which accounts for the rapid healing and low downtime with the procedure. It's used for reversing and improving the effects of sun damage, primarily including brown spots, textural changes, uneven skin, fine lines and wrinkles, and also can refine pore size. It can be used on the face as most traditional rejuvenation lasers. However, because of the breakthrough in the technology, it can also be used off the face, which is a new aspect of this laser technology, including the neck, chest, hands, and arms. Typically, the patient is treated with a series of treatments, anywhere from 2 to 5, depending on the condition being treated. The laser can also be used for improving acne scarring, which typically takes more treatments, somewhere between 4 and 6. We often combine Fraxel with other techniques to get a more complete facial rejuvenation, including the use of various filler agents, Botox, and sometimes Ultherapy, which has a lifting and tightening effect in addition to rejuvenating the skin surface with the Fraxel. We use a variety of fillers in the office. Fillers encompass a pretty large range of products. We carry all and utilize all of the different types of products. The deep fillers such as Sculptra, Radius, and Voluma help to rejuvenate the tissue loss and soft tissue volume loss of the mid-face, upper face, and restore youthful appearance. Fillers such as Juvederm and Restylane are used more for medium to fine lines around the laugh lines, face, below the corner of the mouth, and for hollows under the eye. And a newer filler called Bellatero is used for very fine-tuned fine line correction, such as vertical lip lines and fine lines around the eyes. We combine and mix the various fillers just depending on the patient's needs. I first became interested in dermatology as a medical student. I was doing research and got involved with the emerging field of laser technology. The research was very interesting, and I was lucky enough to get in on some early prototypes and clinical trials, and that really stoked my interest in the field. I then began to realize how varied the field was, that it includes the combination of medical and surgical and aesthetic techniques, and is always varied and interesting. Also, the amount of gratification from helping patients and being able to cure many of the conditions we see and improve patients' health and remove their skin cancers and improves their aesthetic appearance is very gratifying. Over the years, I've come to know my patients extremely well and seen the benefits of them coming in routinely, getting checked, having their skin cancers removed. And many of our baby boomer patients start to age a little bit, and we can improve their appearance and confidence levels. And it's very gratifying to be able to approach the patients on many different levels, from a medical as well as the aesthetic standpoint. At the Laser Skincare Center, we have an amazing staff. We have 13 nurses and medical assistants who are highly trained, many of who have been with us for 5, 10, 15 years, which shows their dedication to the practice and their loyalty and their wonderful interaction with patients. Our front office staff is also amazing, and we have an incredible staff doing our pathology lab, which is a new addition to the practice over the last 2 years. We are unique in the sense that we have virtually everything in-house. We have our own pathology lab, our own Mohs surgery suite. We have our own dermatopathologist, and in addition, we are now able to perform limited radiation treatments on more difficult skin cancer cases. Our facility is unique in the sense that we have everything housed under one roof. We have aesthetic and medical and cosmetic and surgical services. We have our own in-house pathology lab. Extremely helpful for quick turnaround of pathology and allows us to do our Mohs micrographic surgery in the office. We also have multiple and comprehensive aesthetic technology, including about 10 lasers and light-based devices within the office.